completed maintenance on the printer. The SwiftPro has various areas that require cleaning. Open the front door to access the cleaning roller. Slide the roller out. Use tap water and a lint-free cloth, rotate the roller and wipe them down. Let it dry and reinsert the cleaning roller. Remove the locking card hopper. Use a lint-free cloth with a high-proof alcohol, 90% or higher. Rotate and wipe down the feeding roller. Remove both cassettes. Power on the printer. Press the menu button to enter the user mode. Cleaning will be displayed. Press Enter. Clean the rollers by pressing Enter. The printer will check if rollers or film is present. Upon confirmation, remove the card hopper. Take your cleaning card and place it adhesive side down. Insert the card adhesive side down. Open the filter by pressing down on the tab. Vacuum or wipe the filter clean. Remove the cassettes and with a clean swab, wipe down the printhead with 90% proof or higher cleaning alcohol. You have successfully completed maintenance on the printer.